Hello everyone and welcome back to Wally Cooks Everything. This is what you'll learn to cook today. This delicious, spicy honey garlic chicken recipe. I gotta warn you, this recipe has a lot of spicy heat. But don't worry, even if you cut down on the chilies, you're still going to enjoy an amazing chicken meal yourself and your family will love. It's gonna be spicy, it's gonna be sweet with honey, and most definitely, it's going to be garlicky. Let's do this. Here are 3 boneless chicken thighs with skin on. We're going to cut these up into 1.5-inch chunks. It'll be juicy and tender to the bite. Try to cut them all around the same size so that it will all cook about the same time. Then we will lightly season the chicken because most of the flavor will come from the sauce. Here's half a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon ground white pepper. You can also use ground black pepper. 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. 1 egg white from a large egg. Oh, and I forgot one really important ingredient. 1 tablespoon of Chinese rice wine. And finally, 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. And cover all these up with 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix everything up and let it hang out in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Which is plenty of time to get the aromatics ready and take these flavors on overdrive. We start off with enough garlic to make a vampire reconsider its career choice. Mince the garlic up and set aside. One tablespoon of grated ginger. If you do not enjoy the taste of ginger, you might enjoy grated, as the taste is more subtle. Add the grated ginger to the minced garlic. Both go into the pan at the same time. Since spicy is the first word for this recipe, this is going to be spicy. I've got 4 red chilies and 4 green chilies. The colors don't really matter, it just makes the dish prettier. If you cannot handle the spiciness, I recommend 2 chilies in total. Don't worry, I'm not going to judge you. Chop up all the chilies. Also remember to wash your hands immediately and do not touch your face for at least 1 hour. Trust me on this. Set aside, but remember to reserve some as garnish. This onion is about the size of a tennis ball. We only need half of it. Just dice it up. Slice up 2 stalks of spring onions. Keep the whites of the spring onions aside. Those will be cooked separately. These thin sliced greens of the spring onions will be used mainly as garnish. Now there is an incredible tasting sauce component to this dish, but I'll get to it later, because we are going to start cooking now. Fill a pan with enough oil to fry these marinated chicken chunks. For me, it only takes about 5 to 6 minutes. For you at home, you can always pull one out after 5 minutes to check for doneness. Once they're all cooked, remove and set them aside. On a clean pan, heat on medium-low heat. When your pan starts to smoke, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add the diced onions and cook them down until they start to turn translucent. Then add the whites of the spring onions and let that go for a minute. Now add the minced garlic and grated ginger. You want to mix frequently so that the garlic does not burn. If you're not careful, garlic can burn easily, especially when they're minced, and when it does, it gives off a bitter taste. After a minute later, add the fresh chopped chili. Remember to reserve a little bit for garnish. Stir all of this up for at least 2 minutes to ensure that all the flavors break down and meld together. Your kitchen is going to smell amazing. It's time to add the sauce. Since there's cornstarch inside, make sure to mix the sauce thoroughly before you add it, because cornstarch tends to clump up. Here are the ingredients for the sauce. For the red chili sauce, there's a brand that I do recommend, which I will link in the description box. It is an important key ingredient for this dish. The sauce will thicken up once it hits a hot pan. Stir for 20 seconds and then add the cooked chicken. Cover all of the chicken with this delicious glossy sauce. Mix and stir for about a minute. When you plate this, don't forget to sprinkle on some fresh spring onions and fresh chili. And of course, it goes great with rice. Try this recipe out. I know all of you will love it. And as always, I do make deliveries. I take Bitcoins and Camels as payment. Thank you for watching. I will see you all in the next video.